Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the TRW pads used in the video by clicking on the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition, engage the parking brake, pull the hood release and open the hood. Open the brake fluid reservoir. Loosen the lug nuts on the rear wheels. Jack the rear of the vehicle. Set the vehicle on the jack stands. We strongly suggest watching the video, jacking your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. In order to change the rear brake pads on your vehicle, you will need to remove the wheels for complete accessibility. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. Before starting, release the parking brake, otherwise the operation will not work. Loosen the brake caliper. To do this, use a 13mm spanner and a 15mm spanner and remove the caliper bolts. Prepare a stable, elevated surface on which to place the caliper once you have removed it. Remove the caliper. Remove the brake pads. To do this, slide them away from the disc. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the noise dampening shims. Use a wire brush to clean the ends of the brake caliper mount where the brake pads slide in. You will need to check that the caliper bolts slide properly and verify that the bolts in the protective rubber are in good shape. In case of wear, it is best to replace them with the new ones.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Push the piston back in. For this operation, a brake caliper windback tool is indispensable. This is a specific tool that will make it possible not only to wind the piston back in, but also to have it turn on itself to reset the self-adjustment system on your parking brake. Make sure you have the noise dampening shims supplied in the kit. Place the new noise dampening shims on the brake caliper mount. You can find the TRW parts and products used in the video in the link in the description. Take the new brake pads. Insert the new pads into the brake caliper mount by sliding them in. Position the brake pad springs parallel to the brake pads themselves. Now put the caliper back in place and screw in the caliper bolts. Don't forget to use the new screws that come in with the pack, as they have been pre-coated with red locking fluid. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. You can now repeat the same process on the other side. Next, you can reattach the vehicle's wheels and set the car back on the ground. Before starting your car again, don't forget to screw the brake fluid stopper back on. Be careful. Before using your vehicle again, start your car. Since this is a vehicle with an electric parking brake, you absolutely must bring the brake pads together by pressing on the brake pedal before engaging the parking brake. Try to drive smoothly and avoid sudden braking for the first 50 kilometers or so to avoid freezing the new pads. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.